In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to refund a subscription on Picsart and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question, we can head over to the Picsart website, and at the bottom of the page, in the About category, we can find the support text over here. I've highlighted it for you because it's very small. When you click Support, we will be redirected to the Help Center. In here, we can look for refund, and one of the first articles that should pop up is the refund policy. As you can see, what they have to say is that Picsart is unable to process refunds for your subscription once your payment has been processed. Cancel your subscription at any time. Once you cancel, you will still be able to access premium features until your subscription period has ended. So what this means is that Picsart cannot process the refunds for the subscriptions you cancel. However, they also go on to add that if you subscribed via the Picsart app, all subscription refunds are managed through the App Store. To request a refund, you will need to contact the App Store directly. So instead of contacting Picsart to get your refund, what you have to do is either get the refund from Apple or Google Play. Both of them have articles describing how to do it, but for Apple, you simply have to go to reportaproblem.apple.com, and for Google Play or the Play Store, you can select Request a Refund over here, or just open up the app and go to the Help and Feedback section. In there, you will be able to see your purchases recently made and cancel and get a refund from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund subscriptions on Picsart. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.